If you want to know how to create a group on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So let's open our Snapchat app, and from this page here, we just simply need to open the chat folder. In the bottom of the screen, just hit on the icon with messages. So after that, click on this blue button in the right bottom corner to write something, and here we need to choose new group in the top of the screen. So after that, we'll be able to choose our friends, our contacts we'd like to create a group with. For example, we want to add this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. We can also change the name of the group in the top of the screen. If we'll click on this area, we can write, for example, test. And then we can click on chat with the group. Then, as you can see, somebody is not our friend yet, so we need to remove and then just add someone more. So for example, this guy here. And as you can see, we have some couple of problems. So you want to know that you'll be able to add only friends to this group. So now our group was automatically created, and now we are the admin of this group. So as you can see, we have a couple of options: invite or add members. If you click on invite, we'll copy our invitational link. And if we want to manage our group, we need to click on the avatar in the left top corner to open this page. From this page, we can easily change the wallpaper of our group. We can manage our group members. For example, we can hit, and as you can see, we have the option to remove from group. Also, we can find the snap map here. We can find all the information saved in chat attachments, and so on. So this is the way of how can we create and manage Snapchat group. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.